Hello traders, have you ever wondered what everyone is talking about when they say R in day trading? Maybe they're taking a 2R or 3R profit target. Maybe they lost the trade and they lost minus 1R. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what all that means, why you need to understand it, how you can use it, why you should use it, and we're going to look at a real live day trading example of a trade that I took this morning, August 11th, 2022, and see me use this in real time. This document with the link to the video is all going to be available as a PDF for free on patreon.com/tradingarmor. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to enter in an email, nothing. You can just go to this site and it will be here to download as a PDF file for free. So first of all, what is an R? Let me look at all the questions here that we're going to answer, and then we'll go through each one and answer them. So we're going to first answer the question, what is an R in day trading? We're going to talk about how useful it is in day trading. How do you use it? Why should you use it? So what is an R in day trading? R stands for risk. Risk is the amount of money you're willing to lose in a trade. So here's an example. If you buy a share at $10 and place a stop loss at $9, then your risk, or your R, is $1. How is it useful in day trading? So beside the obvious of knowing how much you will lose if the trade fails, you can use the R value to calculate a reasonable profit target. And what's a profit target, just in case you don't know? The price at which you want to sell your shares at. So now we're going to watch a live example of me using this R system in day trading. So here's the video right here. You're going to get a direct link to it, but we're going to open it up here live and see where it's at. I'm not sure. Let's get it up to the full screen here. Let me just fast forward to the trade. There was only one trade in this entire video. So I want to get to the part where I enter the trade and then I calculate my 1R profit target. Actually, okay, so I have to get into it right now and I'll explain. MTTR, let me move my stop loss up if I can here. So everything I'm doing right now is according to a trading plan that I've written. It tells me when to enter the trade, where to place my stop loss. Once I've done that, now I have established my R. So you're going to see that on this big chart. Properly. So we had a pullback here. We entered for the break of a 1-minute candle. We have 658. So right now I'm just figuring out where I need to place my stop loss. We would enter on, and then the stop loss goes to the low of this candle. So now my stop loss is in place. That establishes the R value. And I do that by using this calculator, which is also available on patreon.com, but you can do this manually. You're simply going to type in 658 minus 632. You're going to get that difference, and that's going to be your R value. It's just this calculator does it all automatically for me, and I automatically get my profit target based on the reward factor that I trade. And I trade with a 3R profit target because I've proven that that is the most profitable target for the type of trading I do. So that's like a whole nother thing. But so you saw me calculate the 3R profit target at 736. So this is my 1R. My risk is the difference between these two prices. And then here is 3 times that risk. And if you watch this video, you're going to see that that trade, it looks really bad right now, the way that the video is showing up on the screen, but you can watch it yourself and you won't have to deal with all of this kind of blurriness as I'm fast forwarding, but you'll see that this trade did eventually go and hit my 3R profit target. Now that's significant because right now in this trading plan that I'm trading, we are up 7 times our risk with this 3R profit target. The 2R profit target is only up 4 times the risk. So we're up 133% more with our 3R profit target. So hopefully that gave you a real world example of how you use this whole R system and why you should use it. You can see that by doing lots of trading tests and studies over the years of my trading, I've come to the conclusion that the 3R profit target is the best for the type of trading I'm doing, and I know how to use it, I know how to calculate it, and I get the 3R profit target not all the time, that's for sure. Like most of the trades fail, and this is why you need to understand what R value you need to take in order to make your trading system or trading plan profitable. So obviously if I just took the 2R profit target, I'm much closer to break even. As I said, we're only up 4R with a 2R profit target after 21 trades, by the way, and we're up 7R with the 3R profit target. So let's go back to this. So we just saw the real world example. How do you use it? We showed you that in the video, but if your profit target is 3R, then it's going to be 3 times your risk. So you calculate 1R, you multiply it by 3, and then add that to the value of your entry price, and that's your 3R profit target. So why should you use it? Most trades will fail. I said that earlier. Having a defined risk and profit target for each trade will give you a break-even win rate. So I know it's just a simple mathematical equation that for 3R, the break-even win rate is 25%. So if my win rate is higher, and right now it's 33%, sounds really low, right? But that's way above the break-even. So we're up 7 times our risk after just 21 trades. So that's pretty decent. So you're going to know after many trades how profitable your system is, or if it's even profitable. For example, a 2R break-even win rate is 33%. So you have to win more than 33% of your trades. If you were just trading a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio, that's 1R, then your break-even is 50%, and you have to win more than half your trades to be profitable. So that gives you an idea of what all of this stuff means and how to use it and why it's important. If I skipped over anything or there was anything you didn't understand, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. As always, the main message that I send out in all of my videos is you need to go into every single trade with a plan. So included in that plan should be a well-defined risk and profit target, and you should be taking the same risk, at least relatively the same risk on every trade, and use the same profit target on every trade. Try to take 100 trades doing that. That's so important. If you just test it for 10 trades or even 20 trades, you're really not sure yet if what you're doing works, or are you just catching the market at, say, a hot time where everything is aligning with your plan. So try to take 100 trades before you decide whether or not what you're doing works. Even if you take 100 trades and you end up unprofitable, you're still going to learn a lot during that process. You'll be able to maybe figure out what was the thing that made this unprofitable. Maybe your profit target was too low. Maybe you need to increase your profit target, change your entry, something like that. But you've got to do the same thing 100 times in a row before you're going to know if it works or not. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button. If you haven't done so already, subscribe. As always, go into every single trade with a plan. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.